please subscribe this channel now. BMW has released the first teaser image of the production 8 Series Coupe. Though the concept that debuted last year already gives us a good idea of what to expect from the big two-door, this lone shadowy image gives us our first official glimpse at the 8 Series' shapely rump. Just like the concept, the production 8 Series has clearly defined hips that contribute to an aggressive stance. The taillights appear narrow, and sprawl out across the rear end. It's difficult to say if the concept's large vents at either end of the rear bumper made it to production, but if they are there, we'd guess they've been toned down. We can't see the tailpipes very clearly, but they seem to be pretty close to the concept's exhaust tips and shape. BMW says the new 8 Series is currently undergoing test drives at the roughly 2.5-mile-long high-speed oval proving ground in Aprilia, Italy. There, the 8 Series suspension is being tuned for a balance of agility and comfort at high speeds, the hallmarks of a true Grand Tourer. The test drives under the most severe conditions show that we are right on target with our concept for the new BMW 8 Series Coupe, said Klaus Frohlich, member of the board of the BMW AG, Development and Research, in a release. The vehicle dynamics values already achieved are absolutely impressive. Our customers and fans can look forward to a genuine sports car. The BMW 8 Series Coupe will be revealed sometime this year, possibly at the Geneva Auto Show in March. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.